Being financially fit in 2025 means more than just earning a paycheck. It's about mastering habits that grow your wealth, protect your future, and give you freedom. Here are 5 powerful habits to start today. Live below your means. Avoid debt by controlling spending. Prioritize needs over wants. And say no to lifestyle upgrades until your financial foundation is strong. Automate your savings. Make saving non-negotiable. Automatically transfer money into a savings or investment account right after payday. This pay-yourself-first habit builds wealth quietly and steadily. Invest consistently. Start small but be consistent. Contribute monthly to low-cost index funds, Roth IRAs, or retirement accounts. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow through compounding. Track your spending. Use apps or spreadsheets to monitor every dollar. Categorize expenses and analyze patterns monthly to eliminate waste and increase savings. Grow your financial knowledge. Read one finance book per quarter, follow credible experts, or take free online courses. Staying informed helps you make smarter decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.